Oh, I really don't want to do this. Let's fix the M8. Let's buy the M8 first, though. I wonder where it is. We've got all sorts of parts, brackets, bolts, spacers. Let's get her did. It's got to go out again. So as I said in the last video, what we are here to fix is this problem right here. You know what? I think that steering post bracket is actually cracked right through. So we're not going to need to remove the nut, I don't think. We can just go ahead and start with the removal of the bracket. I should be able to slip it right past with that nut being right broken out. Shouldn't be a problem. Oh boy, this thing's gonna come out with pieces. There it is. That's part of it. Parts. Ooh, that is bad. Look at that one. I've never seen this one break. Usually this one doesn't. Usually that one doesn't give. I've done it so many times. Like I think a lot of people have an easier time pulling the airbox. I mean, it's a big job to get the airbox out, but I mean, I've done these so many times. I know how they're oriented, and I know which piece has to go where at what time. So let's take a look at these pieces. I'll show you exactly what went wrong here. Exactly what they should look like. So here is our lower steering support hardware. This is, I've never actually seen this tab break. Like, I can't believe this thing was still steering, like, at all. I cannot believe it was even in one piece. That's supposed to sit like that. And there's the mount for your steering post. That's one of them anyway. And then this, that broke right off. And then this is cracked as well, which is the kind of the sub mount. Again, steering post goes through there. I've never actually seen this piece like right crack open like that. That's a new one for me. I've never seen it that bad before. This one's bad. This one is really bad. I've never seen this piece actually break. So this one was in really bad shape. I can't believe it was still together. I can't believe that it actually got me off the mountain. Like, that is ridiculous that it even got me off the mountain. I can't believe it. I've never seen one that bad before. We got our new kit here. I went ahead and ordered this before even taking that out because I knew what it was going to be. New post blower mount. New post sub mount. Let's have a look at everything here. Comes with all your rivets. And it comes with this. I'll show you what this is. There we go. This is what it should look like. And this is what it does look like. So, two very, very different pieces of metal looking right there. Again, what it should look like, what it does look like. Comes with a new nut. It comes with instructions too. I've done this so many times, I'm just going to go ahead and throw those out because I know how this is all supposed to be oriented and I don't really need the instructions. So what it does come with here is this is actually a strengthener. So you see the old one, this would have went right here to strengthen it. Our new bracket actually has additional fire rivets in there. It's got additional support don't have to worry about your post. Like it's I've still seen them crack, but this is by far quite a bit stronger, and it won't really give you those difficulties anymore. So we're going to go ahead and pre-assemble this bracket. Let's go ahead and fire everything in. Give you a little bit better of a view on this. Old school broken bracket on the top. New updated bracket on the bottom with that updated brace there, which this does not have. Let's go ahead and throw that in. You may notice on a lot of my videos, my videos are not how-to videos. Like I'll show you how to do your basic maintenance and all that, but when it comes down to it, my videos, when my stuff goes, is more like, hey, this broke. This is what it was. It's fixed now. So I don't really do how-to videos. I'd rather just go ahead and fix it myself. And like I said, I've done so many of these that I just know how they're configured and how they go together now. Lower steering post bushing. This will look different than yours, so don't worry about that, because this is actually a different bushing altogether. Aftermarket one takes out a bunch of the play, so don't worry about that. If yours looks a little different, that's okay. So what's next now? Chain case. So we're already into the chain case there a couple weeks back, just verifying that everything was all good in it, which it is. Repaired that tab, and now it is all good to go back together. So let's throw the cover on, and that'll be that for the chain case. It'll be good to go too. Fill her up with oil. These call for 12 ounces. I put in 15 because it actually brings the oil to the top of the sight glass, whereas a 12-ounce bottle won't. So stick in our oil here. Last thing is, I guess, ski spacers. Dampeners need to be done. Those bolts are seized into the bushing. I'm going to try to bang them out, but my guess is I'm going to have to cut them out. I was able to get one of the bushings pounded out. Still got to work on this one, still might have to cut that one out. So what I'm going to do, I got the new spacer here, the new axle, and I've got some grease right here. You can really use any grease, doesn't really matter what you use. This is waterproof grease, so it'll work real good. I'm going to load up these with grease. And I always do that. So there we go. Now when we slide this one in, slides in nicely. I'm also going to load up the inside of this with grease too, because that's where it seized, was actually where the bolt goes through. So we're going to load that up with grease as well. So even though I have new bolts for this, I really wanted to use the same ones if I could, just because they do fit the ski a little better. They're the better length for it. So I got my old thread chaser kit out here. Just gonna clean these back up, and these ones will be good to reuse after I get them all cleaned up again here. A thread chaser kit, like this is like a thread repair kit. I call it a thread chaser kit. This is like the best thing money can buy is one of these kits. I use it all the time. That's not bad. This one is a little pitted, but I did use my thread chaser kit here. Both the nuts and the thread, and these bolts are meant for the ski, so I would rather use them if I can, and I can. Well, I did get it all done. I got that spacer or that spindle bushing finally out. Got the other one done. I didn't show it. I had to skip ahead because it was a process. I had to punch it out and I had to build kind of a press to do it. But hey, it's done. The new dampeners are in there. No more crashing on my face or nothing like that. Well, probably still a little bit of that. The M8 gets demoted. It loses its garage space and it gets sent to the yard. So we're gonna go park it right beside the phaser. Well, that's it for the sleds. The M8 gets to go one more time. That'll be it for the year. Thanks everybody for watching this video. If you like this video, remember to subscribe to the channel. Hit that stupid bell and subscribe a second time, why don't you? Last trip of the year, so we'll make it a good one. As for me right now, the weather is nice. I'm outside in my t-shirts. I'm gonna take my bike for a ride. See everybody in the next one.